going to Toi, so let's get ready. In order to go, I always like to have some whoop. I don't know if you can see, I'm wearing some like sports leggings that makes it easier for me to try on different clothing, and then I also have this on top, but it has like just I don't know what kind of top this is, but it just has this top inside, so if I need to try on any dresses or anything, I can just take this off and try on whatever it is I need to try on. Okay, so key takeaways. So when I'm packing or getting ready, make sure to put on some sunscreen, drink some water or carry some water, but plan for your bladder, and also don't forget to carry a big bag. So I'll just like have, this also allows you to set like a limit on what you're going to buy, so you just don't shop excessively. So I'll try not to fill this up because I already went like 2 days ago or so, but I'll try not to fill this up, and I'll just put stuff into here. And then inside this bag, I'll make sure to have like, I could have a fanny pack that I could wear across, and I could put my phone and stuff inside. But if I feel uncomfortable, I could also put my fanny pack in here. So make sure you have a fanny pack. And then another thing to get is make sure you have cash, physical cash, because a lot of the stores don't have M-Pesa tills or pay bills. So if you go, you have to keep withdrawing, and it can get really expensive, especially if you're buying from several shops. So yeah, it's not looking so sunny today, so we don't need a hat. I've got a child's bladder, so I'm not going to drink any water because I don't want to. I actually don't know where the bathrooms are in Toi, but anyway, let's go. We're going. Also, I'm not sure if I should carry my camera, but I'll make sure. If I'm gonna try and see, and I'll just ask for permissions. I'll see how I'm feeling, I'll carry it, and I'll see how I'm feeling when I'm there. And if I'm feeling quite confident, then I will take it out and I'll do like some records so I can show you where to get what, etc. I think today we can do bags. I'll show you where I get bags, dresses, plaid skirts. There's a place I know specifically for, here at the bottom, there's a place I know specifically for plaid skirts, so hopefully she's open and I can show you the place. Also the place for jeans and shorts for about 50 bob. I hope the price is still the same. That was pre-fuel prices, but yeah, let's go. If you're going with a matatu, make sure to take the matatu number 4W, which you can get at Kencom in CBD. If you're taking an Uber, you can put the drop-off point at Adams Arcade. If you're driving, you can also drive to Adams Arcade and park your car there. I think it's about perhaps 50 shillings an hour, but I'm not so sure. Okay, here we've come to my favorite store where there's Jacqueline, and she has these amazing plaid skirts. I absolutely love the skirts that she has, and they go for about 350 shillings to 400 shillings. And she also has a tailor who also does like a lovely job in case you really like a skirt or you really like a pattern. He can try to adjust it to make it your size. If you want to get it shorter, he can do that as well. So make sure to visit Jacqueline. I'll put her number down below. You're looking to get a lavish dress, and I mean lavish, like extravaganza. This is a store. His name is Matthew, and he has all of these amazing gowns which is pre-selected. He also has a few wedding dresses in case anybody wants to get a wedding dress. It's a great place to go, but I guess especially if you're going for like a really lavish event, or you just want to feel like a princess or the queen that you are, this is the best place to get these dresses. And he has them at really fair prices. They range from 500 to I guess about 5,000 or perhaps more depending on the dress, but it's definitely a place you should definitely check out.
waangalie vizuri. Hapo
Okay, so I've just gotten back from Toi and I'll just quickly show you the things that I got. I didn't film too much because parts of it I was shy because I didn't want to film people without their consent and because the place gets really full. So anyway, I'll just show you. I didn't also shop too much because I was there a few days ago, but I'll just show you some of the pieces that I got. So one of them was these very pink cuts. It's like they're very, I mean, they probably don't look so. How do I show you the full thing? I'm gonna move all the way back so you can see. I'll see the lights. Okay, so all the way back. But yes, it is like super. I think they're like long jeans, but like really fun jeans. I think I'll have to wear them in like the next episode or something. So I got these, and I got these I think for 80 shillings, which is like maybe half a euro or so. And then I also got this very simple top by H&M. I think it's by Divide. So I think it has like a really nice cut over here. Anyway, I'll just get this washed and everything. Actually, I think the two of those could be a look. And the thing I'm most excited about is that I got this bag by Toi Bush. I think that's how you say it. So this bag by Toi Bush. I think it's such a cute bag. I mean, I think because it's just been empty for a while, but if I stuff it in with stuff, I think if I stuff it in with stuff, it's a really nice bag, and I think it's such a good quality bag. This is the inside. I think it has like a linen lining inside, which I think is great. And I think this bag, if I'm not wrong, if I bought this bag new, it would be about $300 or so. So I think this is like a really good find, and I got this for 300 shillings. So from $300 to 300 shillings, I think that is such a good purchase. But yeah, that's the bag. So I'll show you some of the stuff that I got from Jacqueline, and yeah, I'll also put her number below so you can get them in case you want to get them. So one of them is this maroon skirt. Look at this. Look at this. How beautiful is this skirt? And like, look at the detail that is on this skirt. And this skirt is by View. I don't know who that is, but it's a really nice skirt. And it's a beautiful maroon as well. So yeah, definitely be going back to Jacqueline. So I got that skirt. I also got this. Who is this by? I don't know who this is by, but she also had this. Look at that. It has like the red and black. It just like, oh, you can't sit with us. That's what the skirt is giving, and I think it's also quite beautiful. And it has like this interesting like belt thing going on the sides, which I think is lovely. So I got this yellow skirt, which is by Buona Kionata. So it's by Buona Kionata, and it's like yellow and plaid. And I think it's also super cute. I think I just have to iron it, and the skirt will just be super bomb, and I can wear it with like white or yellow, and it'll just be like fire. So there's that skirt. And then there's also this one. Oh, I didn't even zip this one up. There's also this one by Jean Pascal. So this one has a zip in the middle where I can just zip it. I don't know if it zips from top to bottom or from bottom to top, but this is the skirt, and like look at that print. It has such a, I think the zip is actually in the middle, and look at that print. It has such a beautiful print with some orange, maroon, and black in it. I think this skirt is quite cute as well. And another one that I got It's a square one. I feel like this is much longer. I just need to like properly iron this. This is much longer, but it's such a beautiful cut. Like, I really like the slit over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful cut. And then there's also this one, which is a navy blue, but has lots of black in it and white as well. I don't know who the skirt is by. The label was removed. But yes, it's such a beautiful skirt. And the greatest thing about going to Jacqueline, in case the skirt is too long for you, she could always resize it and make it shorter. She has a tailor that's there with her that helps like resize the skirts, or if you go there in the skirt that doesn't fit you so well, and you like really love it, she can always resize it for you and the skirt will come out really well. But I think I'm gonna just do a map. So I'll do like a map. I'll try and get time to like draw a map, so I can draw a map and show you like where the different parts of Toi is and different parts where you can get different things in Toi, just so it's easy for anyone that's going there to get whatever it is that they're looking for. Bye.